What's going on, guys? Warcom back with another video. Well, I'm on vacation again at the campground. And what I found is this adorable thing. This is the camp's new doggo. Shiloh! Hey. Isn't he adorable? And I got, hold on. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I do not, don't worry, I don't have corona. Yeah, oh, jeez, bro. Okay, yeah, so I'm actually starting to learn how to drive, even though I'm only, like, 13. So, bro, I have the sneezes this morning. Where's that doggo? There he is. Look at that doggo. Isn't he so nice? We have a truck up there, and me and my dad went for a little spin today around with the golf cart, and I am a professional driver. Yeah, I'm a gangster. Oh man. Yeah. Man, do I love driving. I would do it right now, but I have to drive with my dad, so I can't go zoom, zoom, zoom. I'll probably vlog a little more today, and I will post it on YouTube, but this will be posted as soon as I get it edited, which won't take that long. Well, actually, I don't think I'll need to edit it at all. It's going to be not that long. But, yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. It's not much, but, well, actually, let me show you the interior of where I'm staying. Okay. Look at this. I sleep on a couch. Yeah. This is my favorite place to go when I'm hungry. Yeah. Yep. Oatmeal cream pies and chewy bars. I don't really like this cereal at all. And cherry Pop-Tarts. And Austin's got, yeah, that. But I need to blow my nose. Got the runs today. Oh man. Okay, well, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, peace out.